What up, YouTube? Back again with another video. This time I'm working on a 2002 to 2004 Toyota Tacoma with a 2.4 liter, and decided to make a video because I installed the shocks, which are the front shocks. And since these are old trucks, pretty much sometimes the threads, they get stripped out. Okay, and I'm here to save you guys some time and headache when you guys go to the auto parts store. So what you guys need is to go to AutoZone and pick yourself one of these M8.125. It's pretty much a rethread, make a new thread, and it's really easy. You pretty much get one of these the threads, not sure the name of it, but you get one of these that comes with the kit, and then you get this tool and you slide and then you twist it on there, and so it's nice and tight, and then you put your bolt back on. And then with the top one, with the top bolt, you pretty much get one of these pliers, some really thin ones. You guys don't have any, put it on there like this, because it's gonna turn, and then you just hold it and you start tightening it. Doesn't need to be super tight, it's just tight on there, you know. And yeah, that's about it, you guys. Just thought I made a quick explanation with these old Tacomas. And you guys have that issue, you just go to AutoZone and pick up one of these. Alright guys, thanks for watching.